Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the import for transformation and/or assembly.
What is the import for transformation and/or assembly? It is the modality under which goods are imported to be subject to transformation and/or assembly processes by industries such as the competent authority and authorized for that purpose by the Unidad Administrativa Especial Dirección de Impuestos y Aduanas Nacionales DIAN, and on the basis of which its disposition will be restricted. Those authorized to use this modality must present the import declaration indicating the modality for transformation and/or assembly without the payment of customs duties.
The documents that you have to keep. The declarant is obligated to keep the original of the following documents: the registry or import license that protects the merchandise when it's applicable, the commercial invoice, the transport documents, the certificate of origin when required for the application of special provisions, the documents required by a special regulation, the packaging list when it's necessary, the mandate when there is no custom endorsement and the import declaration is presented through a custom agency. And finally, the Andean declaration of the value and the documents when it's applicable.
Created using Powtoon.